Okay, so the three of us were investigating at Sawmill City Road in Shelton. Um, and almost as soon as I turned the camera on, we captured what appears to be a weird white obelisk um, thing going from this tree here all the way to the trees over here on the left side. Now, I'm only uploading it because I don't know what it was. I'm not trying to say at all that we think it's something paranormal, but we just don't know. And when we don't know, we try to, upload things and ask people what they think. So I'm going to play it a few times and then I will try to slow it down too. So I would love to get your take on what you think it is. I'm going to begin now. Maybe I'm not. Okay. Okay, that was the first time. I'm going to go back a few more times. Let me move this over here so it's not in the way. Okay. Now I'm gonna slow it way down. Well, I'll slow it down as much as I can, and I'm gonna play it again, and I'll play it one more time. Okay. So I would love your feedback, your ideas. What do you think this could be? Thank you all for watching, and I really appreciate it.